Okay. So let us begin with application software. So as I told that many applications are there, and that applications, or in short we call it as an app, where it is used for many tasks. In order to do something on a particular task, we need application. Okay, so we will study that which all application will help out to work on the particular task. First we will see what is this application software. So application software, or we can say in short app for short, is a software that performs specific tasks for an end user. For example, Microsoft Word or Excel are the application software. I told already that in your mobile, many applications or app are there, like camera, calculator, or you can take Word file, and even the Google Photos. Many apps are there in your phone. So if you want to open the camera, or if you want to take a photo, then which app you will use? In phone, you will use camera app, right? So here camera app is performing what? Which task it is performing? It is performing of taking photos or images, right? Similarly, here in computers also we have some of applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, right? So they all are used to perform specific tasks. So which task those are? That we will study. Yes. So again here in application software we have two types. Which are those? First is general purpose application software, right? Second one, specific purpose application software. Now let us have a look on these all application. What is meant by general purpose, or what is meant by specific purpose application software? First one, general purpose application software. What it means? Yes. Here you can see general purpose software would be anything that aids in allowing you to accomplish simple computer related tasks. For example, word processing software, spreadsheet software. And here general purpose software, it is a package where it is used by large number of people in variety of jobs or in personal situation. Okay, general purpose application softwares are those that developed in keeping mind of general needs or the requirements, such as uh, the things which we require in jobs or in personal situation, or if we want to calculate anything, we can calculate using these all general purpose softwares. And these softwares can be used by many number of people. N number of people can use these all applications. Okay, under this general purpose of application software, we have some more applications, so which will be coming under general purpose application software. Which are those? First one is word processing software. Remember, these are some examples of general purpose application software where large number of people can use for their general needs and requirements. Second one is spreadsheet software. Third one, graphics and multimedia software. Fourth one, database management software. In short, we call it as a DBMS. Next one, desktop publishing software. In short, we call it as a DPP. Okay. Last one is presentation software. So remember, these are some examples of what? General purpose application software. So can you just repeat which are the general purpose application software?
Yes, ma'am. Let's develop
Yes. Yeah, last one is presentation software. Now we will begin with these all software. Means word processing software, what it does, what work or what task we can perform using these applications. Okay. So what is this word processing software? Here you can see. Word processing refers to act of using computer to create, to edit, to save and to print the documents. So if you want to do this all works of any particular documents or the datas, if you want to create, if you want to edit, save, print documents, we use word processing software. Okay, so in order to perform word processing, specialized software known as word processor is needed. So in order to perform these all tasks, I told it specific task, right? Which all that task, if you want to create, edit, save, print, we require this word processor application. So one of these examples for word processors are Microsoft Word. This is what? Microsoft Word 2013. Next again, here we have one more application like Word Perfect. This is second application. Third one which we have, that is OpenOffice.org Writer. So here I have shown you some of examples of word processing software. So in these all applications, we can use this software for creating documents like letters, stories and reports. And even these softwares can be used for creating, editing, formatting, printing text, graphics. For this all tasks, we use these applications. So which applications? Such as Word 2003, Word Perfect and OpenOffice.org Writer. Right? So I'll show you one video based on this, how this Word application works. Here you can see the structure of that Word, Microsoft Word or the Word 2013. So this is what the toolbar. So using this, we can write here in this body part. You can text, you can create, or you can write letters, you can edit whatever you are required with the words. And even you can color them. You can change the size of that particular word, and even you can use the styles of that words. So for this all purpose, we are using this word processing software, and this is the one image which I have taken from the Word 2013, right? So can you see that movement of image? Are you able to see that video? Yeah, here see what they are doing. Here they are copying this and they're pasting. See, here you can edit them. So like this all thing we can do in which kind of application? In word processing software or in any kind of word processing software, that is Word 2003 or Word Perfect. Yeah. Are you able to see that all? How it is processing? Yeah. Next one, here we will go. See. Giant panda. Can you see that heading, introduction? See, they are editing, they are pasting, cutting, everything they can do in word or word processing software. This all you will study in higher classes, but for your sake of understanding, I have given some short videos. Okay, next general purpose application software is spreadsheet software. So what is this spreadsheet software? A spreadsheet software is a software program you use easily to perform mathematical calculation on statistical data and totaling long columns of numbers or determining the percentage and averages. They are other spreadsheet software you can purchase like Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice Organic Calc, or Lotus 123. What it means here in spreadsheet software, you can use the values which can be entered in row wise, or even you can enter that values column wise. Okay, so the software accepts data's values in rows and columns format. I'll show you that, and that all can be done in Word Excel. This application we can use for that. So here you can calculate the data, or you can analyze the data in desired manner. For example, here you can see spreadsheet softwares like Microsoft Excel, and here OpenOffice Org Calc and Lotus 123. In these all application, you can what format the calculations. You can use these applications for calculations, or you can uh, what total for totaling the numbers, for determining the percentage also, right? Here you can see how it is performing. Now one of the image of spreadsheet I have shown. Here the spreadsheet have columns and the rows, and in this spreadsheet we can take out the percentage of particular numbers. So this is one of the image of the Microsoft Excel. Here you can see at the top the Microsoft Excel has written, where in this spreadsheet you can use for calculation, for determining the numbers, for analyzing the data, right? Next one, just have a look on this, how the numbers have been calculated, how addition can be done, how subtraction can be done using some absolute formulas. So here this Excel spreadsheet is having formulas. Using that formulas, we can directly do these all calculations. See here you can see how that numbers are adding, right? So are you able to see that? So if we want to add that numbers, yes. So here you can see the adding of two numbers. Are you able to see that adding of two numbers in spreadsheet?
124.
Are you able to see the motion of that image or the numbers? Okay. So this is what everything about spreadsheet. Tomorrow we will study about some more general purpose application software.